Shipment of sodium lauryl sulfate is ready for pickup at loading dock 4. Warning: material alpha 7 requires careful handling. Inventory levels remain stable.
The water shipment from the main plant is here.
We need these moved to inspection immediately.
I've adjusted the controls. Check the reading at the outlet pipe.
It's reading 40 Celsius, perfect consistency.
The viscosity levels are stable.
Good. This batch looks perfect.
I've adjusted the cooling settings on line 4.
Okay, the samples look good down here.
How is the surface finish on those?
Flawless, ready for sterilization.
The nozzle seal is secure. Moving to lot 34B.
Polishing cycle complete. Surface quality is within tolerance.
Placing the nozzle now.
Pressure reading looks good. No anomalies detected on screen 3.
The batch number on this one doesn't match the manifest.
Let me check the database.
The seals are definitely secure, though.
A carefully programmed sequence begins as purified water, glycerin, and sorbitol.
Temperature is stable at 32 degrees.
Pressure levels look good on the schematic. We are ready for transfer.
We need to bring the temperature down another 2 degrees.
Okay, adjusting the timing sequence now.
The tubes are suspended in a vacuum chamber. ensuring a flawless application of the logo.
Did you verify the pH levels?
Yes, they align perfectly with the standard. The calibration holds true.
The facility operates 24 hours a day, maintaining the highest standards of production.
Look at that precision. 200 degrees Celsius, 3.5 bar, and over 5 million tubes sealed. All systems synchronized. Precision achieved at 100 grams per unit.
A transcription must align with the user's intent expressed in the USRR_prompt.
Attention all floor staff. Aisle 7 is now clear for automated transport.
Check the crimp on this one.
Looks good. Send it through.
The pressure test results are well within tolerance levels. See here. Noted.
The seal integrity is perfect on this batch.
Ensure the crimp is exactly 5 millimeters.
Confirmed. All within tolerance.